Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you to review the Reindeer Antler Rod skin from the new Christmas event update. The Reindeer Antler Rod skin is one of the Battle Pass rewards in the Christmas event, like this one. You can unlock this skin after collecting 1000 candy. The candy can be earned by completing daily quests over here, like this. Just complete the every quest like this, and then you will get the candies to get the rewards. And this is how the road skin looks, like this, like this. As you can see, it has a reindeer antler theme that really matches the Christmas vibes. And then when you use it, it will look like this. Like this, it has the little effect like this. And personally, I think the design is simple but still looks good. It's not too flashy, but it fits perfectly with the holiday event. So maybe that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.